Hey guys, Bappy here. Come on, do it again. Do it again.
Really?
What?
Mama, watch out. Mama, watch out. You bit me.
Who did? Biscuit? I thought little boy.
She bit me again. Bite me. Bite me.
My dog is mean, Mom. Look at her. She attacks her.
Her dog.
She does jump on her back. Then I actually catch Mill Mill in the scene. Dun 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 dun.
She really smiles.
She hates when people blow in her face. You can tell. She like headbutts you. There you go. My mom loves our dogs. My fish. If it focuses. Get her bite. Good view. My mom has mental issue, guys. Let's be honest. My dog's doing frog legs. Like, what the heck? Cat.
Come on, watch out. That dog up on my head. Watch out. Oh.
Biscuit does not do nothing about it.
She does.
What does she do, Mom?
Sicky. She's doing the twist. She's doing the twist.
Oh, okay, that's how I zoomed in.
Ow! Stop! You're being mean.
My dog is very mean.
Investigator.
The little Mill. Okay, guys, that is it for today's video. So see ya.
Watch out.